Have you ever wondered what the next big business opportunity is in the United States? What if you could tap into the next big business trend in the USA? The American economy is a dynamic landscape of opportunity. In this video, we are sharing 10 of the best business ideas to start a business in the United States. Number 1. AI solutions for businesses. Creating AI-powered tools for automation, marketing, customer service, and data analysis is an area with high growth potential. Number 2. Cybersecurity services. As cyber threats grow, businesses and individuals require solid cybersecurity protection. These may include penetrating testing, security audits, and data breach response. Number 3. Digital marketing agency. Any business will require effective online marketing strategies to reach their audience. This can include SEO, social media, marketing, paid advertising, and content marketing. Number 4. Content creation and marketing. Engaging customers online requires high-quality content that includes blogs, posts, articles, videos, infographics, and social media posts. Number 5. Telehealth services. With the ever-increasing demand for remote healthcare services, telehealth providers present convenience and accessibility to the patients. This involves virtual consultations, remote checkups, and portable therapy. Number 6. Crisis management counseling. In various industries, managing and mitigating crises is a skill in high demand. These services include coaching, counseling, and online therapy. Number 7. Retail of sustainable products. More and more people are looking for eco-conscious or ethical products. That includes apparel, household items, and personal care products. Number 8. Eco-friendly cleaning services. More and more environmentally conscious consumers are choosing services that use non-toxic and sustainable cleaning products. Number 9. Home organization and decluttering. Number 10. Interior design and home staging. With competitive real estate markets, home staging is crucial for attracting buyers. Interior design services are also in demand for homeowners looking to renovate or redecorate.